What is Raspberry Pi? What are the types of Raspberry Pi boards? Why Raspberry Pi is popular? You will get all answers in this video. Let's move on and know about Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a low-cost, small-sized computer. Raspberry Pi can use with a computer monitor with a standard keyboard and mouse. This little device enables people of all ages to explore computing and to learn how to program in languages like Python and Scratch. Scratch is a block-based, visual programming language. It's good for those who have less knowledge about programming. Raspberry Pi has different types of board. Here we will talk about only a few. First is Raspberry Pi Zero. These are the specification of this model. You can easily get all this information from the datasheet of this model. This is another model of Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi A+. This is its third model. Raspberry Pi B. The only difference between these models is its specification and some additional features. Raspberry Pi is popular because it is easier for young people to acquire programming and hardware skills within a short amount of time. Raspberry Pi Foundation builds this application board so that to make it easy to accessible for everyone. That's why the sales price was set correspondingly low, which is around 5 to 100 euros depending on the model. It has good processing power. Supports Linux and Python. Easy to build commercial applications and to build your own electronics products. That's all about Raspberry Pi. We will learn more in other videos of Raspberry Pi. Do not forget to check our playlist. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information, please motivate us by like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Infodron for more videos.